Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here, and I am here to give you a makeup tutorial. It's gonna be this Ellesy makeup palette, and it is the Mockingbird palette right here. So yeah, so everything has been done. So let me just show you what I have used right quick that I have already pre-done. So we have these two face primer. We have used to contour, well not contour, excuse me, conceal is the Wet n Wild concealer in medium peach. And we are using the Clinique Sienna foundation and thing. And between the foundation and the face primer, we have used the Black Radiance Long Lasting spritz. So we will use that again. So without further ado, let's get started. So y'all might have seen somebody else also do use this Mockingbird palette by this brand, but I wanted to come and give you a makeup tutorial with it. So that's it. And we're going to take Bloodline. We're going to take the color Bloodline into the crease. So before I do, let me get this tape off. And so we're going to use Bloodline in the crease. And we're going to build that up. And this color is sort of like a bright yellowy mustard. It's a bright yellow mustardy color. So let me blend that out. So we're going to blend that out. And then we're going to add Throne, that's that light yellow in there a little bit. So we're going to go back in with Bloodline just to build it up a little more. So the next thing is we're going to take that same brush right here and we're just going to blend. Okay, so we're going to take that. We're going to take this brush and we're going to take this, we're going to take the color called Idea. Let me see, not Idea, we're going to take this color right here. And we're going to also put that in the crease. So we're gonna go in also with the color Ideas a little darker. And we're just going to put that on the corner crease. And just bring it in a bit. Turned out very pretty. And we're just gonna lightly do a light blend. Okay. So we're gonna take this right quick just to use it a little bit. I like that. So then, okay, we're gonna take this brush. It is actually turning out very well how I want it. And we're going to take this color called Slave right here. That's all we're going to be using is the color Slave. And we're just going to add that to that color's not going to act right today, so we're going to have to go in with another color. This color called Wisdom. So we're going to mix the two in for and I actually like it. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this color right here back into the crease. And that is it for that color. Before I do, I'll come back to that. So we're gonna actually do the powder, and this is the Queen Collection Medium Deep. So I'm going to list everything at the bottom. So next thing we're going to go in with is we're going to go on and do the brows. Y'all know me, when I sculpt my brows, I do so I can see what I'm doing. So we're going to do this. Okay, we're going. Okay. So then the next color, we're going to take this brush and we're going to add this color right here. We're actually combining two colors. We're going to have both of these colors right there. And we're going to take this brush right here and just blend it out a little. Okay. The next thing we'll do is the highlight. We're not doing too much for a highlight. And what we're going to be using is we're going to use this color called Summer. And the way I finish it off on the nose, there we go. And before, we're going to use this blush. I like to spray my spritz before I put my blush on. I have different methods. And okay, after doing that, we're just going to take this and we're going, and so let me do this right quick. We're going to take this lipstick by Relven, and it's called Mink 671. So, yeah. And that's it. That is it. And that's it. This is the look. I hope everybody likes this look. I think with this look. This is a pretty, pretty look. You kind of say this is the sun kiss look. Sun kiss look. We want to call this the sun kiss look. So if you like this look, I will leave everything I use below. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.